Alright, so in this video we are required to simplify this algebraic expression. Of course, the first thing we need to understand is that all of them, they are raised to the power raised to another power. So a raised to power 2 raised to power 3 raised to power 4, we can multiply the power. From the law of indices, if you have a raised to power m, then everything raised to the power of n is the same thing as a raised to power what? M times n, which is the same thing as a raised to power what? Mn. So since they are all powers, so basically this can be written as what? 2 times 3, that is 6, 6 times 4, that is 24. So the final answer is a raised to power 2 times 3 times 4, and that will give us a raised to power what? 24. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.